Hi everyone, and welcome back to Beverly's Design Time. In today's DIY, I'll be showing you how to make a really cute jewelry holder. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start out with some Dollar Tree Fix-All, this cute little jewelry tray that I found at Dollar Tree. I also have two Dollar Tree candlesticks. I have the clear one, and I have this white one, but I think I'll go with the white one. I'm going to use this little bowl, and it has a lid, but I'm not going to use the lid with it. This craft can also be done using one of the Dollar Tree fish bowls. I'm going to be using some of the Dollar Tree Mod Podge, some bling wrap, and you can find this at Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to need a pair of scissors to cut the bling, some glitter, and I think I got that from Michael's or Walmart. And I'm using one of these Totally Dazzled buttons, some E6000, and some silver spray paint. And I also have my glue gun ready just in case I choose to use it. Okay, so let's get this stuff cleared away and get on with the DIY. First thing that I'm going to do is spray paint the base silver, and I'm going to spray paint this elephant dish silver as well. Next, I'll go ahead and take some of my bling wrap and wrap it right around the top of my bowl. And I'm going to use 2 rows of the bling. I'm going to use the Dollar Tree Fix-All to glue the bling onto the bowl. So just squeeze it and rub it on the bowl as you turn it around, and then attach the bling. Now this is all the bling that I'll be adding to the bowl. So I'm going to set this aside to dry. But while it's drying, I'm going to go ahead and cut the other pieces of bling that I'll need for my candle holder. Okay guys, I'm back and this is how the candle holder looks. So what I'm going to do now is mix some Mod Podge and glitter. And I'm going to use the lid from the bowl that I showed you earlier. Now I'm doing this to add bling to my candle holder. This is a DIY, so you guys do not have to do this step. And as you can see, the paint is really pretty alone. But this is just how I wanted to do mine. I'm going to add 2 coats of this mixture to my candle holder, allowing it to dry between each coat. Now that my elephant dish is dry, I'm going to do the same thing. Coat it with my Mod Podge and glitter mixture. Let that dry, and then I'll coat it a second time as well. Alright, so now I'll let these 2 pieces dry. Both pieces are completely dry and look how beautiful they look. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is go ahead and add my bling around my candle holder. I'm going to start out by adding 2 rows of bling at the top, 1 row in the middle, and 2 rows again at the bottom. Then I'll come back and add some at the very top of the candle and at the very bottom as well. And I'll be using my Fix-All glue from Dollar Tree to do that. You can also use your hot glue gun to add this as well. Okay guys, so we're almost done with the candle holder. So the next thing I want to do is glue my bow on top And I'll be using the E6000 to glue that on. And I'm just going to put the glue right inside that ridge. Then after that dries, I'll go ahead and use the E6000 to glue on my button from TotallyDazzled.com. So while that dries, let's add more bling to the elephant. So I'm going to brush it with the Mod Podge, sprinkle some glitter on it, and then after the glitter dries, I'll permanently seal it with this Mod Podge spray, the top and the bottom. Okay, so back to the button from TotallyDazzled.com. I'm just going to take some E6000 and put it in two places, here and here. Those are the only two places that's going to make contact with the candle holder. So I'm just using this little straw to put the glue on the button, and then I'll attach it to the candle holder and let that dry. Again, this is a DIY. You do not have to do this step. It's totally up to you. Now I'll leave this to dry. Okay guys, I'm back and this is how it's looking so far. Isn't this fancy? And I really love the decorative button on there. It's really cute. It really sets it off. Now let's have a look at the lid. See how sparkly it is? So let's set it on top so you guys can see what it looks like. I really love the way that it turned out. I really love the bling. We have bling in so many places, here, 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 and here. And I feel like I need to add bling to the lid. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to add one row of bling right around the rim of the lid. That way it'll bring all the pieces together. I'll be using the FIXALL from Dollar Tree to attach the bling to the lid. And now we're done. Okay guys, so this is my completed jewelry holder / candy jar. Isn't it gorgeous? I would love to see this done in pink or maybe blue or even gold. I think any color would be beautiful. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I actually have two. I think I'm going to put bubble gum in the other one. So this is what it looks like with jewelry. I just added a few rings on top and some bracelets on the inside. And as you can see, it would hold quite a few pieces. So yeah guys, that's it for my DIY. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you are a subscriber, make sure you turn on your post notifications. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you join my YouTube family. Alright guys, that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.